What are interest rates going to do over the next year? Should you buy now or wait? I'll give you my opinion right after this. It's definitely been a very volatile year for mortgage rates this year. They're bouncing all over the place. Right now, they're sitting at about 6.25%, and that's really what's caused our big market slowdown in the Sacramento area. There's been an updated mortgage rate projection, and in this chart, I'm going to show you what they're thinking is going to happen with interest rates over the next year or so. So they basically went to the big wigs in real estate. Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae are two of the government, semi-government agencies that buy up mortgages from banks and lenders so they have more money to make more loans. So Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae were asked what they think is going to happen over the next year with interest rates. MBA is Mortgage Bankers Association, and then NAR is the National Association of Realtors. So what they're predicting for the fourth quarter of 2022 is to have an average of about 5.4% for mortgage rates. And then it's slowly going to decline. 5.3 in the first quarter of 23, 5.2 in the second quarter of 23, and 4.8 in the third quarter of 23. So why are they projecting interest rates to go down? Well, the Fed's been hitting it pretty hard with raising the Fed rate. And the reason they're raising the Fed rate is they want to reduce inflation. And the mortgage rates typically follow inflation. So as those mortgage rates, or as the inflation rate comes down, mortgage rates should follow. So we shouldn't be up here in the sixes for too long, we hope. So the big question is, do you buy now or do you wait? It really just depends on what you're looking for. So right now we have a lot of homes on the market. So if you're wanting to buy a home that you're going to stay in for a long time, you may want to start looking now because you can really narrow in and find that perfect house for you. Your interest rate might be a little bit higher, but you can always refinance when the rates come back down. The fear is when interest rates drop again, we're going to have that feeding frenzy again. We're going to have low inventory, and then you're not going to be able to find the home that you truly want, and you're going to be making concessions about the kind of home that you want to buy. So it really just depends on you. Are you looking for that perfect house? Now might be the time to go buy a house. If it's all about your payment and you want a lower payment, you might want to wait a little bit. So that's my take on mortgage rates, along with Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, the Mortgage Bankers Association, and the National Association of Realtors. I do tend to agree with them. I think we're going to end up, I think my prediction's a little bit higher than theirs. I think we're going to end up in that mid 5.5% range for a while. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching.